The Realme C1 smartphone comes with a large 6.2-inch HD plus display which produces good brightness and colors. The smartphone dimension is 156.2 by 75.6 by 8.2 mm and the resolution of the smartphone is 720 by 1520 pixels. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection and the platform runs in that smartphone is operating system Android 8.1. The plastic body feels sturdy in your hand but the laminated back is prone to scratches. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC which is a decently powerful chip, but the 2 GB RAM makes generally usage feel a bit sluggish. The smartphone has a USB is macro USB 2.0 USB on the go. It has a primary camera one is 13 megapixel and the second is 2 megapixel and it has a selfie shooter is 5 megapixel sensor. There in bad 16 GB of memory also run out quickly if you have too many apps installed. There is a large 4230 mAh battery which takes a long time to charge with the bundled adapter. The smartphone has a weight is 168 gram, balanced plastic body and the color of the smartphone is both black and blue.